Welcome to Bitstream, guys. Let's jump right into it. This is the beginning of a fun journey covering my first indie game called Traffic Engineer. This is a learning experience for me, as this is my first real game. The idea of this simulation game is you start off in a one-road tiny town, and as the town grows, you have to make roads and design traffic systems to accommodate the traffic appropriately with the least amount of accidents, fatalities, and traffic jams. Each car will be individually calculated with its own driving personality, AI, and car specs to make it as realistic as possible. I'm planning on having two game modes. The first is career mode, what I just described above. The second is playground or simulation mode. This will be an open area that you can have fine-tuned control over the cars and your road creations to mess around, experiment, and even gather real data. So, without further ado, let's look at the progress I've made so far. I started off by creating a GitLab repository and programmed the initial camera control and came up with a few keyboard shortcuts. Next, I added an icon, a main menu, and the ability to change which keyboard control scheme would be used. I also began working on suspension physics. Then I modeled a better car, because the cube was bugging me. And then I started on the friction physics, which looks okay, but it's not accurate. Later, I continued trying to work on the friction physics for the car model. Yeah, I took a break by making some concept images and designing the logo and cursor for the game. This is where I am now. If you want to follow this development and see more of my videos, subscribe and enjoy. If you liked this video, don't forget to go ahead and click that like button. See you around.